right, so let's go through these for another day for tech support. So, all right, so let's go on this one. NVIDIA overlay. Is there any way I can use the overlay without a supported GPU? I have an ancient one. Please let me know. Maybe, maybe not. Yeah, you have to search that, man. Come on. Come on. Come on. Just search it. Come on. Don't be lazy. People need to stop being lazy. Come on. Just search it real quick. Just put graphics card, NVIDIA overlay, and if there's a way, you'll see it. You just have to read a couple times. Like, are people that lazy? Next one. No monitor audio with Xbox. I can't get audio to work with my monitor and Xbox. I can either plug my headset into my controller and get party chat, or plug it into the headphone for game audio, but I can't get both. I tried changing settings like HDMI audio and headset format. Also tried party chat output at both headsets and speakers, but nothing's working. Oh, I'm so confused. Okay, I can't get audio to work with my monitor and Xbox. Well, does your monitor have audio speakers? I hope so, but that's a good question to ask, because you never know. Just because your monitor has a way to connect it, don't mean it has speakers. I can either plug my headset into my controller and get part. Well, duh. But plugging it straight to your monitor. It's like if I plug in mine right now straight to my monitor, it ain't gonna work. It ain't gonna work. Yeah, I'm confused. I'm confused now. Next. Accidentally left laptop in cold too long. No bootable device found. In cold too. Oh, okay. Like outside. Alright, Dell G3 gaming laptop. Don't know specifics. I'm not very tech savvy. I wasn't given its specs. Okay, that's fine. Was accidentally left in the cold for too long. Thought the temperature wouldn't go lower while I was out. Now every time I turn it on, it results in a system scan that ends with a no bootable device found. Would warming the room and letting the laptop reach room temperature fix the issue? I still plan on taking it to repair afterwards. Just need a temporary solution for the time being, as the closest shop to me is currently closed. Huh. So it just happened? Yeah, let it warm up. If it just happened, just let it warm up real quick. Just, you're gonna have to wait. You know? Dang, it's like a phone. Like when it gets cold, it will tell you. Are you serious? Man, he went straight to Reddit. Like, bam, like it just happened. Like right now. I want to know if I could do it. Well, yeah. Just let it warm up. What the hell? It's gonna be one of those days, huh? Ethernet Wi-Fi connection issues on PC. Okay. A few months ago, my Ethernet stopped working on my PC, so I started using my old Wi-Fi adapter, and it's been working fine until now. My PC says Wi-Fi strength is at 2 bars. It will disconnect randomly and won't reconnect till I unplug the adapter and plug it back in, and it'll be fine for a few minutes and disconnect again. What do you think? Your adapter is going bad. Yeah. Yeah. Unless your USB is going bad, but if you connect another USB and it just works, that's the way to test it. But if the USB is working fine for a while, and as soon as you connect that adapter and you said in a few minutes it disconnects, yeah, it's your adapter. Get a new adapter. Yep. But your Ethernet crapping out, your motherboard, man. Just buy an external Ethernet card. Hopefully you got a slot for it. And then your issues will be fixed. All right. Issues with deleting a folder. I'm trying to delete a folder on my computer using admin privileges. However, when I go to delete using the standard admin shield, it says the following. You need permission to perform the action. You require permission from administrators to make changes to this folder. The file I'm trying to delete is C Program Pros Google. If anyone can help with it, that would be greatly appreciated. Huh. Apparently it's a Google program. Uninstall it using Revo uninstaller. Yeah, like, yeah, just what app are you trying to uninstall? Just open the folder, look in it. If there's an app, go uninstall the app. I'm pretty sure it'll delete the folder. Like, yeah, that's what I would do. For real. Laptop turns off when not plugged in. Won't charge. I read it slowly. Just to make sure, like, laptop turns off when not plugged in. I don't even have to read all this. No. It's your damn battery, man. It's your damn battery. It's like your phone. Oh, it works when it's charging, and then as soon as I unplug it, it turns off. It's your battery. Come on. Come on. Random BSODs. These past 2 months I got 2 random BSODs. However, my computer restarts just fine after, but it's still concerning as to why these occur. Windows 11, alrighty. Blah, blah, blah. Why is it doing that? Yeah, get some crash logs. Alright. Hmm. On these, yeah, I would look at the crash log, see if there's anything in there that tells me why. Could be a software issue, could be a hardware issue, something. But I will do that. Get a crash log. And if you don't know how to do it, just search it online, because I don't know how to do it. But I'm pretty sure if I just search it online, it will tell me. Alright. What's this one? My Windows device doesn't play any sound. Newer Windows updates cannot be installed. Newer Windows updates cannot what? For the past weeks, my Windows laptop, right, it's running version 24H2, yeah, the problematic one, has been unable to play any sounds, even though the sound setting seems to be normal. So far, I've tried the following. He ran the troubleshooter, run a scan, stop and start the Windows audio, manually reinstalling the Realtek audio drivers and update ones. Additionally, I'm trying to, did he say he updated the drivers? Okay, cool. Yeah, he did. I tried fixing this by running a Windows update, where also doesn't seem to work, as it gives me the following error. Okay, so that error, that Windows update error, the best route to get over that is just download the Windows, like download Windows. But when you run it, you're just going to update it and keep all the files. And then it'll just update the update. That's it. You won't lose nothing. Yeah, it sucks that you have to download Windows. There's no other way around it. Stop dicking around of there is a way. No, there's not, because I've tried it. I've tried every single way because I didn't want to do that. But after waiting a month, I was like, man, screw it. Gotta do it. I downloaded it, and within 30 minutes, I was up and running with the new update with nothing lost. But just make sure you select keep all files in apps. All files in. If you don't, you're the dumb fuck. Yes. I'm very truthful today. All right. So get the update and then go from there. I ain't bullshitting today, honestly, man. There's some days in tech support where you don't bullshit no one. Like, screw that. Screw sugarcoating stuff. Some people need to be told. You don't like it? Well, it's the truth. When put to sleep, my PC shuts itself off. I've tried everything to stop this behavior. It's not just annoying, make certain tasks, transferring large files, downloads impossible or risky. All right, 2024 Lenovo Yoga Pro. So it's a laptop. It's a laptop. Yes. Put the PC to sleep and it shuts itself down. Yeah, we saw that. I'm not sure if it shuts down the HD, but I believe so because the OS initialized it if it was shut down. And honestly, I'm not even going to read all that. Let's see all the troubleshooting steps he took. Just the sleep, wake settings to never automatically sleep. Went on AC power. Okay, that's good. Updated the BIOS. Disable hybrid sleep. Hibernation, fast startup. Via CMD prompt as admin. Change the settings so closing lid does nothing in order to sleep. I have to press the power button. Change the setting control panel. Hardware sound, power option, advanced. Turn off HD after never. This is making it so my PC is in a few days a liability. It's barely a year old and I'm going absolutely crazy with this. If I put in a new SSD and clean install Windows 11 without the Lenovo bloatware, do you think it will fix the issue? I'm not even sure how to do a clean Windows install without paying the license again. Alright. This part right here, change the settings so closing the lid does nothing. In order to sleep, I have to press the power button. You don't know. I would try it without closing the lid. Because their software could go, well, the lid's closed, so all right, let's shut it down. Shut this shit down. You never know. You tried everything. Everything you tried, that's what I would try too. And the only thing I would try after that will be don't close the lid. You never know. With these damn softwares, man, it sucks, but it is what it is. Yeah. Oh, look what he said. Okay, I must have missed this. I'm not sure if it shuts on the AC, but I believe so because the OS initialized it as if it was shut down. When I open the PC back up, press the power button to sleep wake, I get the yoga splash screen and the OS loads with all the startup apps. There is no telling after how much some this will happen. I've come back after 30 minutes, it has not shut down, and then another time has. I think it's a software. I think it's just their software. They ain't gonna let you do it. Man, if that was me, yeah, I would reinstall Windows, but not their bloatware, not Lenovo, and then see if that makes it work. But man, I don't know about that one. It's a lot of troubleshooting. That's what sucks about computers. Sometimes, like even mine, it wouldn't go to sleep. Like as soon as I go to sleep, within less than a minute, it will turn back on. I don't know what the hell was the problem. Then I switch my PC case. The issue's not there anymore. So it must have been the case. That's what sucks about troubleshooting. Sometimes you won't even know what the problem is until you try really, literally everything. It sucks. All right. What? One more? All right, let's do one more. Audio jack not detecting on my laptop. I was playing a game on my laptop and using speakers, and then the audio just randomly cut out. I tried getting a new speaker, but that didn't do anything. I tried headphones, but that didn't work either. The way I play now is with Bluetooth headphones, but on certain games, it automatically chooses a mic on it, which makes the audio quality really bad, and I'll try fixing that too. I'm not sure what to do. If you're wondering why I don't use speakers on the laptop, it would be because I have another monitor and the laptop on my left acting like a second monitor. Yes or no, I should get a PC, but this laptop hardware will last me quite a while for what I wanted to do. I have speaker, otherwise I have audio only to my left. Yeah. Try getting new speakers, but that didn't do anything. I tried headphones, but so your audio jack. Usually, if you tried everything, your audio jack just took a poop. Yeah, let's end there. I get it, man. Sometimes you wanna just like pull out your hair because all these issues, but sometimes it's just they just crapped out. It sucks, but that's how it is. All right, well, there was not a lot of fixing today. It was just more of advice on what not to do, I guess. If you have any tech issues, let me know in the comments so I can help you out. Because honestly, I got enough time. Like if you write in the comments, I'm pretty sure I'll read it and I'll let you know what you need to do or point you to the right direction where I can help you. All right. Well, thanks for watching. Goodbye.